Are you wondering which cloud storage option is better for you? Today, we're comparing Nextcloud and Google Drive. Both tools help you store and share files online, but they do it in different ways. Nextcloud is an open source platform. It gives you full control over your data. You can host it on your own server or use a service provider. This means you can customize it to fit your needs. Nextcloud also focuses on privacy, so your files stay more secure. On the other hand, Google Drive is part of the Google ecosystem. It's easy to use and integrates well with other Google services. You can access your files from any device. Plus, collaboration is simple, making it a favorite for teams. Now, let's look at the key differences. Nextcloud is all about customization and privacy. You decide where your data is stored. Google Drive offers convenience and ease of use, but you rely on Google's servers. When it comes to features, both have their strengths. Nextcloud allows for advanced file sharing and has many apps for added functionality. Google Drive shines with its seamless collaboration tools and built-in Office suite. Pricing is another factor. Nextcloud can be free if you host it yourself. However, you may need to pay for hosting services. Google Drive offers free storage, but you'll need to pay for more space. So, which one should you choose? If you value privacy and control, go with Nextcloud. If you prefer convenience and collaboration, Google Drive is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.